How to join group boards on Pinterest. First of all, open up the Pinterest application on your phone. You are now on the Pinterest homepage. You can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests over here. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Inbox. This is your Pinterest inbox page. Over here, you can view all your messages, requests as well as updates on Pinterest. As you can see, you have already received a request. Tap on Preview below their name as shown. You have now opened their chat and can view their message. If you want to accept this person's request, then tap on Accept below. Now, tap on the pin they shared with you to view it. Following these steps, you can easily join group boards on Pinterest. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.